Kelley Manufacturing Company is located here in Tifton, Georgia, just a small company that started out over 50 years ago. One of the biggest challenges we were facing was just being able to get into the foreign market and sell our equipment overseas. So we reached out to UGA SBDC, and they were able to help us out. They got us in contact with a dealer down in Johannesburg, South Africa, and is one of our biggest dealers for the export market. Hi, I'm Roy Moore with Kelley Manufacturing Company. I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing here. We are a farm machinery manufacturing company. We make somewhere around 40 different products throughout the year. We have a line of tillage equipment, poultry equipment, hay equipment, and peanut harvesting equipment. We sell through a dealer network. We have roughly 500 dealers domestically, and we also have 7 international dealers. So we have equipment somewhere around 22 different countries. About 10 years ago, I got involved with University of Georgia SBDC when I took over exports. I go to them for so many different countries. They're able to help me, assist me in shipping laws. Plus, we're always looking at other countries where we're trying to expand, and they're able to get me in quicker contact with people in that line, and so I just continue to use them. The most rewarding part about being a small business owner is being able to know your employees, so it's like a big family. We all seem to take care of one another because we all know each other, and I just think that's all important in a small business. I would encourage any new small business owner that's wanting to expand their business, whether it's domestic or foreign. I recommend using UGA. They can save you a lot of time because they have different contacts. They can reach out, and information that may take you days to find, they can find it in just a few hours. So I would always recommend using them for helping expand your business. In the ag industry, we're always looking ahead to the future. We're having to always keep up with technology, different techniques that farmers are using, anything that can improve a farmer's needs and be helpful to a farmer. So KMC is always looking ahead to the future. I plan to continue working with UGA SBDC just for the simple fact there's always constantly something changing, laws changing. They're able to give me that information. Plus, we're always looking at other countries where we're trying to expand, and they're able to get me in quicker contact with people in that line, and so I just continue to use them.